When you drop a token on Pump Fun, keep in mind there are literally hundreds launching every single day. Way too many coins are popping up. Most of them never even get noticed. Hey crypto fam, today I'm gonna show you a simple rug pull method that's been making the rounds in the space. Okay, now firstly you wanna go to Solana, and when you're in this site it should look like this. You wanna click create token. Now, whenever you're creating a token on Pump.fun, literally hundreds of coins are getting created every single day. Too much coins are getting created. No one's gonna see this. Pretty much what this website does is, you see on Pump.fun when all these coins are getting released, people, small investors like 4K, 17K, all these market caps are so small. Plus you have to get like 200 buyers just to even get King of the Hill. And then when you got King of the Hill, that's when it goes over to DexPreneur and you can actually start making big money like 10K, 1K, per token. Why did I tell you to use this website? Because if you go over to here, create your token. When you create and launch your token on this website, it goes straight onto DexPreneur. So it doesn't have to do all this funding care of shit. King of the Hill pretty much bypasses all of this and it goes straight onto DexPreneur. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how it works and how you can do it for yourself and make a few bucks. Okay, so first you want to go over to DexPreneur. Now, you want to see what's trending. You want to see what's a good narrative where you can copy or you can design yourself. So for me, I'm just lazy. I just copy coins and post them and I go straight into Dex. And then I usually get, a lot of buyers, a lot of snipers. And then I just sell after 10, 20 minutes and I just gain a couple $100 profit. So that's what we're going to be doing here. So yeah, let me find a good narrative and I'll get back. Okay, so I found some coin. It's called Task.Thon. I don't know, it's just some random AI, Web3, some random shit. Okay, so I've copied the name, the symbol. Now we just need a description and to set the supply. So when you set the supply, you want to set it to 1 billion. So that's going to be 9 digits, obviously on top of the 1. So you want to put a 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go, 1 billion. Okay, so for the description, I'm just gonna go onto their Twitter. Okay, so I actually went onto their website, they're just doing all this. It's a fake website just so they can do a successful rug pull. So we're gonna copy and paste this. We'll put it into the description and now here comes the fun part. But yes, so you wanna select revoke freeze and then you wanna select revoke mint and revoke update so they can take their money out and so you can actually make a rug pull the liquidity. Pretty much what this means. Just a quick explanation for y'all, don't understand. It's like all these freezer can actually rug pull a coin. Now what this does is when you create the liquidity, this basically gives you parental access over the liquidity. So you're pretty much in control of what happens. But yeah, so now you want to click launch. Make sure you have your wallet connect. Let me just connect my wallet. There we go. Now you want to click launch token, but first let me just see how much money we have in our wallet. Okay, so we have 66 bucks. I'm just gonna top it up. Okay, so I topped the wallet up 5 sol. Now you do not need 5 sol. You literally can have 0.5 and you can do it, but just make sure you have a bit more afterwards because with this 0.5, we're making the liquidity. Like up here, where I put this 1 billion, we own 1 billion% of the supply. Plus, when you have to pay for Dex Cleaner, and it's usually 299 bucks, this is bypassing that. So you pretty much get it for free. Well, 0.5 sol. Okay, so when you can your wallet, click launch token. Okay, so it's gonna be an open menu. Proceed, confirm. Now the reason it says all this is because API is not verified yet, but I can promise you guys it's safe. And if you don't trust it, then, just simply go and use it. It's completely up to you. But yeah, click confirm. Now we just gotta wait till your claim gets created. Okay, there we go. Our coin has done this. Now it's gonna say transaction link. You can copy and paste this. It's completely up to you. It's gonna load again to give you your client address. Let me just close all these browsers down. Okay, there we go. Our token has been successfully created. Now what you wanna do is open up your Phantom wallet. Gonna scroll down here and you're gonna see your coin task button right here, 1 billion% supply. Okay, so now you wanna click onto your coin, click these 3 dots, and then just view it on Solana. And you wanna copy the token address right here. Just select the token address. And then you wanna go over to, and then you wanna click over to liquidity pool. It's gonna open up Radium. From here, you're gonna wanna create your coin's liquidity pool. Pretty much what this is you're just initializing your coin so it can be on the market, but in the way where you own the coin's full percentage. So, okay, so when you're on here, you want to go to liquidity, click current, click standard ANM, click continue. Then you want to go over to Radium, select Sol. You want to click onto this gray box, click here, come back onto here, copy your token address, and then just put it in here. It should come up here. Okay, so now you want to put your symbol in the name. So I'm just going to copy what I had. So task and then task.font, remove the dot because I removed it in my name. But yeah, you want to click add user token, select the supply. Okay, as you can see, we own 1 billion% of the supply now. Now what I'm gonna do is select 999, the 900 million right here. And then you want to come down to Sol right here. We have 4 Sol here, so I'm just going to do 4 Sol, and then come over to tier fee. And just put this to 2%. Guess now you want to click initialize liquidity pool. Click that. Menu's gonna pop up. For Sol into 6k unknown tokens. Okay, nice. Then click confirm. Pool created. There we go. And now this information is important. Just click got it. Okay, nice. So select your token address again, then to deck screener, then just click onto a claim, then go into the top and then just copy and paste ER token address for theirs. So it instantly loads into the URL and it should come up. Okay, so if it says this, when you load it, just literally wait 2 minutes and it should appear. Okay, there we go, it's appeared. Okay, nice, so we've created our client. Now you wanna wait for, let's see here. Okay, so the client's 1 minute old right now. Only snipers are bought. You see, we created this client literally 1 minute ago and we got instantly 20 buys. All these are snipers, so you gotta wait some time. A lot of people are investing. This coin is literally 1 minute old. See, we got a lot of buyers right here. If you wanted to rook pull this coin right now, literally the coin is literally 2 minutes old. You can rook pull it and you can get away with literally all this money. So what these people got invested to 150, 150, 150. As you can see, these snipers have bought here and then we sold here. Now guys, if you want to make a quick profit off all these snipers here, you see we only bought here. We are the original buyer here, but if you want to make a quick profit off all these, when you make your coin and they look fully legit, what you want to do is copy and paste the CA into Dextrain or whatever, any platform, then instantly hold like 10 Sol or instantly hold like 5 Sol into it right here. And then it's gonna be like fucking here. And then when all of these kids buy, you want to just dump on them before they take out. Instantly 500, 600 pucks, depending on how much people bought in here, which is quite a lot. 150, 150, 150, 100, 50, 20, 1. It all adds up, you're gonna make quite a lot. But yeah, for now, let me just delete all this shit. When the client gets to about 5-10 minutes old, then you're gonna start seeing the real buyers, because it takes some time to be listed on the main screen of Dextrainer. But yeah, let's just wait. I'll put on a time lapse until I think it's a good time to rope it. But yeah, guys, you can watch the buyers come in and, buyers themselves, whatever, see how it does. So I think I'm going to rope it now. Okay, so there we go, with after refresh. So when you go back onto Radium, your position is going to be here. Now what you want to do is you want to click on the and you want to pull this all the way to the right. Okay, there we go, 2,800 now. This coin did actually go pretty crazy. We're still getting buy and sales. It's going pretty good. Come over here and now Fastest will receive 13 Sol. The reason this coin is doing so well and is getting a lot of buyers is because obviously our narrative, it was very good. We did the description, we did the name, the title, we did all that shit. On the Luna Launch website, we did credit info, we added the social tags. So yeah, this client is starting to blow off. A lot of people are liking it. We're getting a lot of buyers, a lot of sales. Quite a lot here. It's doing pretty well, so guess I want some rope put, but I don't know if it's gonna go higher. Look, if I refresh this, look, now it's on 2,900, so I don't really want to rope put it, but I kind of do because I feel like someone wants to sell. Nowadays, you're probably wondering what these big buyers are now, because people think it's natural kind, I think it's professional kinds. They're holding in like 1 Sol or 2 Sol, 5 Sol. They're holding them this much because they think the client's gonna go big. And obviously, if they get a 2 Sol sniping it and it goes to like $10 million market cap, then they're gonna make like $1 million, bro. So Yeah, you're gonna get people like that. Yeah, I wanna rug put, but I don't know, I'm scared, bro. I think go. I know, yeah. Some kids are gonna start to take out, you know. Let's see how much I can take out. 3,100 now. I might take out. Yeah, like people are starting to sell. Okay. So yeah, if you want to take out, you just do this, blah blah blah. Click here. There you go. Confirm. Now, okay, removed. There we go. Okay, so now we own nothing of the supply. Yeah, a lot of people are starting to sell now, actually. Okay, yeah, it's good to remove the supply, bro. But yeah, so we removed the supply. As you can see, removed. Now the client, you know, renders to exist. And we have gained all of this profit. So pretty much anyone who invested here, all our tokens has now gone to our wallet. So as you can see, there we go, $250. This was a pretty good rug pull. As you can see, we're only owing 300 million % of the coin now. So if you want to remove that, then you can go into Sol Incinerator and get a couple bucks off that. But yeah, so 50 Sol profit. This is a pretty good kind of YouTube and the kind app and here I share. So yeah, this is a decent rug pull. If you want to try this out, head over to the Luna site and let me know how your rug pull turns out and how much you managed to walk away with. Thanks for tuning in. If this video was helpful, entertaining, or showed you something new, drop a like and leave a comment.